Nandito tayo maring sa sariling atin Oriental and African Market. So meron pala dito sa Hinesville. Ngayon ko lang nakita to kasi ngayon pa lang ako nakapunta dito. Meron din silang yumak, padalahan ng kahon sa Pilipinas. Sa gilid naman ay may Chinese restaurant, Chopstick Cafe. Open na sila. Yan. Open sila dito sa Asian store ng 11 na, but close pa rin siya Monday to Saturday. So nag-aantay kami na mag-open sila maring at papasok tayo dyan. Kasama ko si Sir dahil yung dalawang bata na sa eskwelahan, so date kami dalawa mga maring. Kami lang dalawa tayo. Bakit close pa siya? It should be open by now. It's already 11. Ayan na, nag-open na ang store. Pasok na tayo maring dahil open na ang Asian store. Meron silang seaweed rice cracker and what's this? Dried fruits. Kaong $4 yung halo-halo. Kuha tayo ng isa. Tsaka yung ube. Ay, buti na lang. Can I take a video here? Just vlogging. Do you have fresh jackfruit?
No fresh. Just yung nasa lata. The ones in the can.
Wala silang langka. So, ayan, maglibot-libot tayo. Nakakuha na tayo ng permission na mag-vlog. Mayroon silang champurrado, malagkit na rice, arroz caldo, and tapioca. Ito yung kailangan ko. Glutinous rice. Hala, ano to? Kamote or ubi? Tatanungin ko muna siya. Ayan yung mga products nila, oh. May kapayas doon na sa loob ng ref. Tsaka may lutia. Ang liliit ng lutia. Ano ba naman? Ano yan? Ang laki maring. Ano yan siya? Ubi? Oh! Honey. May honey. What tayo nito, oh? Purple kamote. Ayan. Si Sir ay nasa labas pa. May kausap siya. So, hindi niya alam kung anong pinupulot ko dito at wala sa plano na pumunta kami sa Asian store. Nakita lang talaga namin ang Asian store. Kaya, ayan, nag-stop na. Stop kami dito. Ano ba to? What is this? Brown sugar candy. Rice flour. Tapioca starch.
When are you gonna have fresh spring? More fresh spring.
Excuse me, sir. Ano to? Ube, kamote. Tapos to yung ube ba?
Ghana yam. African yam.
But the same sila sa ube? Or ano?
Iba.
So, hindi siya yung purple?
White.
Ah, okay. Abi ko, kala ko yung ube.
Iba.
Different pala. So, ito yung kamote. Kala ko yan yung ube. Ang laki kasi, oh, sabi niya yam. So, ayan. Kuha lang tayo ng 4 na kamote. Hindi ko alam magkano kamote. So, ito naman siya ay condensed cream na ube yung flavor. Try natin to. 2 lang. Saka meron tayong bibingka mix. Wow, tsaka gulaman. Bilo-bilo. Coconut milk. Ready mix. Matamis na monggo. So, yan siya. Jackfruit strip. Buko. Nasakan ang buko. Mung beans. Tapos dried mangoes. Ito tayo sa kabila. Dami. Ito, ano naman siya? Basil seeds. Mayroon silang dahon ng saging. Yung naka-freezer ang dahon ng saging. Yan. Shopa, tsaka lumpia. Ube ice cream. Pepper leaves. Dahon ng sili. Alam mo, silang frozen na suman. Wow! Yan suman. Yan, bilhin natin tumarin. Isa lang. Suman sa ube. Walang malunggay. Gusto ko ng malunggay. Ayan lang cassava leaves. Grated purple yam. Pinipig. Tsaka ano yan? Bilo-bilo. Rice balls. Rice balls with fruits and sugars. Tapos shopa. Crab and corn. Ang dami dito. May bitchin. Curry paste. Yan, napakasarap talaga ng crispy fry. Party pa. Sa labas pa rin si Sir. Ayun, may hotdog sila, Marine. Yan yung Tender Juicy. $9 lang siya. Mahal, no? Sunod na lang yan kasi sobrang mahal pala. Lumpia. Wala silang lumpia wrapper. Lumpia wrapper pala. Ay, nandito na. Oh. This salted anchovies. Ay, ginamos. Ito siya, gochujang. $8 mahal. Kuha tayo ng oyster. Yeah, it's right there, the soy sauce. Look. This is the soy sauce. $18. You wanna get it? It's almost gone in the house. Yeah, there is ito yung paborito niya na toyo. No, it's not. That's sweet potato.
The purple?
Looks like it, yeah. No. Magic syrup. I don't use magic syrup anymore. Salt and pepper lang para healthy-healthyhan tayo. Meron silang fish sauce. Ano ba yan? Bulat? Ketchup. Importante talaga ang ketchup. Banana sauce. May malaki pala. $9. Ito na lang siya. Corned beef. Grabe, ang mahal ng corned beef. Spam, Ligo, Century. Alam niyo yung napansin ko is walang beef loaf sa kada Asian store. Walang mga beef loaf. Ganito lang. Corned beef. Yan corned beef $10. Chili corned beef. Argentina $10. Yan. Ha? Pepino? Cucumber? We have cucumber at home. Hold on, let me get a mix here. Kare-kare, tamarind mix, and spaghetti sauce. They have adobo mix. Oh, fish. Pompano. I don't know.
Tilapia, snapper, and mackerel.
Tilapia. Mackerel.
And you got these.
Galunggong. Oh, we get this. I haven't eaten this for a while.
And then you got milkfish if you want some.
Oh, they also have bangus. You open it. Ah. This is the galunggong, I think. And bangus.
Which one is it?
That's already marinated.
Milkfish?
So those are the galunggong.
The what?
This is the galunggong.
Did you want that?
Which one is better?
You gave me this one.
The same.
Okay.
2 pounds. This is 2 pounds. How much is that? That one is small.
Yeah, this is smaller.
Oh, we get this. Oh, they have a whole bangus there. See that?
Oh, what?
Whole fish. That's the milkfish.
You want to get one?
We get one. Big. Oh, this is where the dried fish are.
You got the whole fish. If you want.
Dried bisugo.
Huh?
You want to eat it? No, I don't want to get one if you don't want to eat it.
Well, you could try it.
Then get one. I'll get
Baby bonito.
what is this? Baby bonita. Tulingan. Maybe get one.
Huh?
Tulingan.
You want one? Good.
Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go to that side, see what snack they got. Premium coffee. This is here. Tayo ng ano. The fish they will eat.
Yeah, I
The
know.
whole fish with a head.
Yeah, I know they'll eat.
Meron akong nabili maring na puto seko. Kainin natin siya. Tignan natin kung ganun pa ba yung ano, yung lasa niya.
Good thing I didn't grab a bag of rice.
What?
It was $40. That thing was over $200 for that shit.
Sarap! Sayang.
Every time we go to them places, I mean, it's always like $200 to $300, and you don't leave with nothing. I mean, just like a few bags.
Yeah, because Asian foods and stores are expensive to buy. Mahal talaga mga maring. Mga Pinoy food dito, mahal. Mga Asian food. Gagastos ka ng mga $200 to $300. Tapos konti lang yung nabili mo. How much is the rice?
It was $37.99 for a 25-pound bag.
And the rice at Walmart is $20, I think.
It's like $22 now for 20 pounds. But a lot better rice. I like the Three Ladies rice.
I'll try it. Maring, ayan, nakabili din ako ng malaking bangus. Ngayon pa ako nakabili ng buong bangus talaga kasi puro mga marinated na bangus lang yung nakikita ko sa Asian store. Ayan, si bangus. At ito ang pinaka-exciting sa lahat, ang suman. Finally, may suman, Maring. Hindi pa kasi ako makapagluto ng suman kasi yung saging sa likod ay wala pang dahon, no? Tumutubo pa lang siya ulit. At saka yung mga saging na freezer ko, na nilagay ko sa freezer, ay nasira dahil sa bagyo kasi nawalan kami ng kuryente no last year, mga October. Mga isang week walang kuryente. So, nasira ang dahon ng saging, kaya sayang na tinapon ko na lang, mga maring. Kaya this year ay preserve na naman ako ng mga maraming dahon ng saging kapag tumubo na yung saging namin sa likod. At ang paborito ko na munggos. Ayan, makakapaggawa na ako ng ginataang munggo. Yung ube talaga yung hinahanap ko man, pero wala. Baka sa ibang Asian store meron, no? Ito siya, kamote pala ito. Pero I think purple na kamote ito. I hope so.